Hello, welcome back. Here I am again doing a review. Today's review will be about the PPF medium black tint that I installed on my windshield. So there's a lot of videos out there that show what the visibility is during the day, but I decided to make one of visibility at night. So I currently have installed PPF medium black tint that's on the windshield. On the sides and rear, I have um, V-Cool OEM05, which is equivalent to super black. So I didn't want my windshield to be too dark since visibility at night and when it's raining is my top priority. So right now, this video is or was recorded around 6 p.m. ish. Later on in the video, you'll see the visibility at night when it's totally black on SLEX. So enjoy the video. So at this part of the video, the time was around 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. As you can see, the visibility is clear at my point of view. If you're wondering what type of headlights I have Kion Sondra LEDs, I think 8000 Kelvin. I've had these for already 3 years and they're still as bright as you can see. So we're currently at on SLEX southbound. You can see that this is just low beam and it's pretty clear. So at this timestamp, I think this is around probably 8 p.m. already. So it's already totally dark, no more sun. Where I was currently on SLEX still, past Alabang. Uh, it was Saturday traffic, so still visibility was clear, not as dark as other tints on the front windshield. I'm definitely happy with this tint, medium black PPF. Um, so there. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more Honda City GM6 related upgrades. And I hope to see you soon. See ya. Bye.